details of a breaking development from the national capital where two officials from the Pakistani High Commission were caught spying and have been asked to leave the country within 24 hours' time. This is the first such incident in 4 years, and sources also telling your channel that the police caught them red-handed while procuring documents. This is espionage case that has now been revealed and busted. They also produced fake Aadhaar cards. The Ministry of External Affairs has issued a statement and has said that these two officials of the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi were apprehended by the Indian law enforcement agencies for indulging in espionage activities, and they have been given the time of 24 hours to report back to Pakistan, and the government that is now declared as both these officials as persona non grata for indulging in activities that are incompatible with their status as members of a diplomatic mission and has asked them to leave the country within 24 hours. Now this is being said when a strong protest was also lodged on part of India's side with regard to the activities of these officials of the High Commission of Pakistan that stood against India's national security. We have Shravan Sen with more details of this entire matter and how exactly was it busted, getting details of these two Pakistani citizens, these two Pakistani diplomats who now have 24 hours to go back to Pakistan.
Well, this is certainly an embarrassment for Pakistan because two of the officials of High Commission of Pakistan in New Delhi, they were basically apprehended by the Indian law enforcement agencies. This was on Sunday, essentially for indulging in espionage activities. What we have picked up is that the two officials have been identified as one Abid Hussain Abid, he's 42-year-old, and another 44-year-old Muhammad Tahir Khan, and they have already been declared by the government as persona non grata and have been asked to leave the country within 24 hours. Apart from that, remember, there is also a third person called Javed Hussain. Now, he's also a resident of Pakistan, but essentially they were basically an associate of these two officials of the Pakistan High Commission, identified as Javed Hussain. He too was basically apprehended by the law enforcement agencies. Now, what essentially is the allegation that has been leveled against the two High Commission officials is that they were involved in procuring and supply of confidential documents that were pertaining to the Indian armed forces. And that's the reason why when an input actually was received by the agencies that came in from the military intelligence, we're given to understand that the Indian agencies, they had basically laid a trap in New Delhi, Karol Bagh area, when they apprehended these two High Commission officials red-handed. Important to point out here is that there's been certain recoveries, Amita, that has been made, which includes an Aadhaar card, one mobile phone, as well as 15,000 rupees cash.
All right. Thanks very much, Shravan, for the details. So, major embarrassment for the Imran Khan government there. But as they are Pakistani diplomats, there are certain protocols that need to be followed. And India has now declared them persona non grata and has also launched a very strong protest as now these two diplomats will be sent back to Pakistan. Let's move on now.